Well, as we know, the internet, it's changed drastically in the last 30 years, but the laws protecting online platforms has not.
In March, Meta and Google were found negligent for designing apps that harm kids and failing to warn about the dangers of the apps. This morning, KETV gets the facts on why this landmark case could change social media.
When the World Wide Web launched in the 90s, a new law was passed to protect online platforms. Section 230 says websites are not liable for content posted by a third party or someone else. But a lot has changed in 30 years.
Really an overexpanded law.
Greg Dickinson is an assistant professor of law at University of Nebraska-Lincoln. He's been studying Section 230 for years. He says recent court challenges are chipping away at the law.
The plaintiffs are arguing it's not about the content, it's about those design choices in your product.
In March, a California court found Meta negligent for creating features that cause users to be addicted. It ruled that these designed algorithms, infinite scroll, and notifications were not protected by Section 230 of the 1996 Communications Law. A New Mexico court found Meta misled users about the safety of Instagram and Facebook. And now there are dozens of similar lawsuits across the country.
And so there's these allegations that the companies knew and yet concealed the fact that children might be being harmed by this.
Dickinson is confident that the U.S. Supreme Court will take up some of these cases in the next few years.
Whenever the court does take that case, it'll be a monumental decision. Assuming it changes anything, it would be a big deal for tech companies.
And a big deal for users. Dickinson says now more than ever, there is huge momentum for change.
It's a nuance in Section 230 interpretation that I've been advocating for quite a while now. So it's good to see the move happening, but it's a scary new internet too. I hope the courts make the right decisions.
All right, so what does it mean for you? Well, Dickinson says not much. He doesn't see social media going away, but he sees the High Court, Supreme Court, holding social media platforms accountable for the way that they're designing these products. He says it could mean that you're going to have more control over what you see and what you scroll through coming up.
Yeah, I mean,
very easy to doom scroll.
yes, very easy.
Yep, and they're saying enough.
Right.